Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Imagine your diaphragm. A big muscle under your lungs is like a trampoline. Normally, it moves smoothly to help you breathe in and out. But sometimes it gets irritated. This irritation can be caused by eating too quickly, drinking fizzy drinks, or even sudden excitement. When the diaphragm gets irritated, it jerks suddenly, making you suck air into your throat quickly. This rush of air hits your vocal cords, causing them to close suddenly, which creates that hic sound. So hiccups are just your diaphragm throwing a little tantrum. They usually stop on their own once the diaphragm calms down.